A smoke detector is something that is available in most houses. Also, the location of the smoke detectors makes it the best place to install a spy camera. You do have many smoke detector cameras out there, but how many of them are of good quality? Our quest for finding the best smoke detector camera helped us to create this list. There are many products available to choose from best smoke detector, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best smoke detector from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blue Hill Smoke Detector. Currently, it is one of the best wall cameras that looks almost like a smoke detector. As a spy camera, it has all the necessary features which include motion detection, night vision, Wi-Fi, audio speaker, fisheye, full HD resolution, and high storage. Looking at the way it has been designed, you can use it to keep an eye on your kids, babysitter, employees, pets, and many others. We recommend the detector to be a great option for home. The installation is simple. All you have to do is install the camera like a smoke detector, but make sure the power supply is available. The best place to install this unit is on the wall rather than the ceiling. As far as the video quality is concerned, as it uses 1080p resolution, the quality is really good. Make sure to keep a few lights on for the best results. When we switched the camera to night mode, the quality was unaffected. Yes, some light pollution can make images blurry, but it happens with most night vision cameras. We like the app as it is simple to use. If connected to good internet, you can see the live stream of the video on your phone. Number 2. Vision Hidden Camera. Most smoke detector cameras use a power outlet, but if you need a camera that has a rechargeable battery, this Vision Hidden Camera is a great option. It boasts a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is high compared to any other smoke detector camera. Beyond the massive battery, it does have all the necessary basic features that you need in a hidden camera. It has night vision, a motion detector, and also wide lens. As far as the installation of the unit is concerned, you have to place it in place of a smoke detector. Since it does not have a fisheye, you will have to direct the lens toward the area you want to cover. The good thing is it has a 125-degree wide lens, which allows you to cover the maximum area of a room. For this type of unit, the corner is the best spot to install it. As far as the quality of the videos is concerned, you will be able to capture high-quality images and videos in daylight, as well as during the night with night vision. Using night vision, you can clearly see any object at 30 feet. Number 3. Kamik Smoke Detector. Kamik spy camera has hardware and features which includes a motion sensor, full HD video recording, night vision, micro South Dakota card storage, and rechargeable battery. The one thing that CXWDDP didn't have is the loop recording. Loop recording is a feature that allows a camera to record continuously for hours. If you are looking to monitor your home or office for 24 hours, loop recording could be a good feature to have in a camera. Before talking about the loop recording, just look at how the quality of the camera is. It uses a 1080p resolution camera that provides full HD videos and images. If the light is good, there is no issue with the quality, but as it gets dark, you will have to switch to night vision mode. Also, the night vision is fairly good for this camera. We also like the motion sensor of the camera. It effectively detects any movement within 30 feet of the camera. The key feature of this camera is loop recording. In order to store videos and images, it uses a 64GB micro South Dakota card. Number 4. Newing's Wi-Fi Hidden Spy Camera. During our research, we found that very few smoke detector cameras had the ability of night vision. We have already mentioned 2 of them, but if you are looking for an alternative, the Newing's camera is a good choice. It doesn't have the brand quality of Blue Hills, but it's something that is worth trying. If you look at its features, it has almost everything, which includes night vision, motion detection, wide lens, rechargeable battery, Wi-Fi, and a user-friendly app. Just like any other good hidden camera, it also has 1080p resolution. If the lighting conditions are good, you can capture quality images and videos. And when you switch to night vision, you can see any object clearly within 35 feet of the camera. Also, a good thing is the IR LEDs are not visible in the dark. We also checked how good is the live streaming capability of the camera. If the quality of the internet is good, you will be able to have seamless live streaming on your phone. Number 5. WF404HAC, Sony 1080p. The WF404 hack is another fake spy camera that looks just like any other smoke detector. Also, the camera lens is hidden so well that even if you look closer, you won't be able to see the lens. It captures quality 1080p resolution images and videos. Overall, it is a Wi-Fi enabled spy camera that allows you to live stream the feed on your phone. Also, it has all the necessary features that you need in a spy camera, like a motion sensor and night vision. As far as the installation is concerned, you can install it just like any other smoke detector. The base is the same as you get with a smoke detector. Also, we like the fact that it uses AC power, which opens up the possibility of 24/7 surveillance. We also captured some good videos under low light conditions. Due to the use of IR sensors, you can see even in the dark using the camera. The best part about the camera is that it allows you to control the motion sensor. To be precise, you can create zones for motion sensor notifications. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.